what's up, lassies? And since it's pouring rain outside, I thought, since I can't do The Great Move, an episode of The Great Move, instead, I would show off this toy right here. Little Life Pets. Okay, this is Feather. I got him from Christmas. And it does not come with this necklace. I just made this necklace. And he can actually sing and dance to his own music. He can eat his little food and water. He can swing by himself. And he can ride this little cart here. So, I'm going to get him. Hang on, let me turn him on. Here he is. Okay, so let's get started by... Oh, and he also copies you. Okay. Look, he's swinging by himself. He's a really fun bird. You can find him at, I'm pretty sure I got him at Walmart, but yeah. He swings, and when you put him in front of his mirror, he'll dance to his own music. You can name him whatever. You can name him whatever you want, but I just decided Feather. See, he's eating. Okay, guys, now I'm going to set this cart right there. I'm going to go get him. And he will actually ride his cart. Get back here. See? He will ride his cart by himself. Isn't that cool, you guys? And away we go! Go under. Don't run into the door. Okay. He will talk to you. You can talk to him back. He's a very cutie. Such a cutie. And sometimes he will, when you copy him, when you take him off of his little perch.
Fly, I'm thirsty. Can I have a drink?
Okay.
Let's go for a ride.
You stop. Hang on, guys. Okay, so he's a good toy to play with, and you can take him anywhere you want. You can just put him in your backpack and he won't suffocate and die. But there's also a pink version, but I think I liked him.
I feel like going outside.
Dude, it's raining out. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Hang on, guys, just a second. Okay, he's turned off. Let's put him back on his swing. And that's all I wanted to show you for the day. Is what he does, and that's pretty much all this video has to offer. Now, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, lassies.